Enjoy the view of this 2016 Subaru Outback. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.